Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to install Nvidia drivers onto Arch Linux, and this is the script that I wrote to make this process easier. It runs on KDE Plasma, but in theory it can run on other desktop environments as well, but make sure that they are using Xorg, not Wayland. Before we start, make sure that you have removed your current Bumblebee or Prime setup, or this script might be conflict with them and crash your Xorg setup. I don't take any responsibility for anything, so do that at your own. Let's get started. First, we extract the folder which we have downloaded from GitHub. What this script basically does is that it sets up PAMAC AUR manager to be able to install Optimus switch, and it sets up BB switch and Nvidia drivers with it. We open a terminal inside this directory and we paste this command, and what this command does is it basically makes this script executable so we can run it. And we run our script on the console, on the terminal. Type Y and it will start to install the packages. We got an error right here. It says it searches for fake root package, but it couldn't find it. Not a problem. We can install it with this command. We try to run it again. Now the installation process is finished. We can run Optimus Switch app, and at the right corner there is a little icon right here. We click on it and go to settings. On the configuration files menu, we click on import. And finally click on the little Nvidia icon at the right corner, and it will ask you to reboot your system. After rebooting our system, now we should be using Nvidia drivers. To check that, we go to the system preferences and system information. And here you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see ya on the next video.